Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make sure the Spotlight search icon is visible in your Mac's menu bar, so you can launch apps, search files, or browse the web instantly. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support what we do. Thanks a ton. Let's get started. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings. In the sidebar on the left, scroll down and click on Control Center. Now scroll through the list until you find Spotlight. If it's set to Don't Show in Menu Bar, you'll want to change that. Click the drop-down next to Spotlight and select Always Show in Menu Bar. That's it. Look up at the top right corner of your screen. You should now see the magnifying glass icon. Click it any time to instantly launch Spotlight and search your Mac or the web. Quick, easy, and super useful. If this video helped, go ahead and like it, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. Catch you in the next one.